Okay, so starting back here, relatively same. I don't know, there was a big break between the last video and this one that in the time I was recording it. So I think this is where we started off. So we had inserted a plane. We had, I think you had a circle drawn in, so I'm going to draw the circle from, I'm going to turn off that circle there. So I'm drawing the circle on plane 3. I'm going to draw it in here. Click OK. I hold down my rolly button there on my mouse and move my screen around. I'm going to click this circle, hold control, and I'm going to click the base of the circle, or the cone, and I'm going to say make concentric. So that means that circle and the base circle have the same center point. Now, I'm going to click the blue circle, hold control, and I'm going to hit the center point and say make coincident. So I'm replicating a lot of what's on our sheet here. I'm just doing some of it now, not all of it. Right. So that circle is black, which is what you always want. Sketch is fully defined. Now, I'm going to go circle, and I'm going to draw here somewhere down the bottom left of the portion of the plane 3, and it must be on plane 3, so it must be on it. I'm going to click the circle now, hold control, click the top end of the cylinder and make concentric. So that means the two circles have the same center point. So the sphere will be rolled around, the cylinder. Alright, now I'm going to click the curve here, hold control and select, select the center point and make coincident now. So now I go control 8. And I have what's here done in plan view. The book only does the bottom portions of it. It's as if I've done all of it. They're still the same thing. Right now, I'm going to select a point here, point tool, and now I'm going to click the point here on the curve. I'm going to click OK, turn off the point tool. I'm going to click the point, hold control, and press make coincident. So it has to go into the point of intersection now. Now I'm going to exit the sketch, and there's the center point of the sphere. Now I'm going to right click and hide the work surface. I'm going to right click and hide plane 3. Now I need to make in a sphere. So I'm going to make a sphere by using revolve boss base. And to do revolve boss base, I need a sketch and selected a center line. Alright, and now I'm going to go reference geometry plane. I'm going to click that point there, the point intersection, and I'm going to click the vertical plane. So the plane is now parallel to the sketch, or parallel to the vertical plane, and it runs through the point of intersection, basically where the center point of the sphere should be. I'm going to click OK. Now I'm going to click plane 4 there, control 8. I'm going to sketch on this here, so I'm going to select sketch. Now I'm going to select circle, and I'm going to draw up to the top left, and I'm going to just check the time here on my video, so I'm 3 minutes through it. I'm going to click the point here, hold control, and click my center point. I say make coincident. So that's where the center point is. Now if I go control 8 now to this plane 4, so if I click plane 4 and control 8, and if I click this curve here and control 8 and select the center line and say make tangent, now it's gone black. Alright, and just for the crack here, smart dimension, and it says diameter 36, so I know I'm right. Now center line. Okay, we're going to draw in a center line. It's going through the top, and turn off the line tool by pressing L twice. Click the center line, infinite length, line tool, join from here to there. Turn off your line tool by pressing L. Now you need to go click the blue line, hold control, click the center line and say make coincident. The sketch needs to be fully defined, it needs to be black. You only need a semicircle to do revolve, so trim entities, revolve, right click OK, features, revolve boss base, click OK, And there's our sphere there. Okay, there's the sphere there. Now unfortunately I won't get time to put in the video where the point of contact is. Well, maybe I might here. So if I go reference geometry plane, okay, select this view here, or that point, and the HP, that's it there. And basically you can see where if if I followed this circle around and joined them in a straight line, you get it. I won't get time there. I'll show it to you in class. Alright, so I'm going to turn off that sketch there, the construction sketches. Turn them off by right clicking and hide. I'm going to hide plane 4 there. I'm going to select the vertical plane, control 8, and I'm going to select the drop down arrow here. I'm going to select 3 screen. Right, there's it in 3D, there's it in 2D, or there's the elevation, there's the plan, and there's the end elevation. You can turn on hidden detail in each views, and that's in this view here, and that's how the question works. That's it in 3D. Right, cheers, thank you, bye bye.